So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install FullBright for Minecraft Java 1.2 1.11 and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to this link. Make sure you type this link exactly as it is, modern.com/resourcepack/fullbright-ub. Once you do this, you'll be brought to this web page. Just click on this download button and then select your game version and then just click on download. Once you click on download, it will automatically start downloading, and now it would be a zip file, so you just have to extract it in a folder. After this, what you need to do is open your Minecraft game and then just go over to resource packs and just click on open pack folder. Then just select the folder which you downloaded just before and then drag and drop it to resource packs folder. After this, it will appear here. Just open the resource pack and then click on done, and once you do this, it will automatically be installed in your Minecraft. So yeah, this is how you can do it. If you have problems still occur, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide in this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.